Back with another video. I know the audio's a little high, I'm sorry. I need to turn down that gain. I'll talk a little bit quieter. But I got the mic set up working again. Yes, sir. Go single, everything works. Crazy, huh? Not gonna try and play any music because I don't wanna get copyrighted again. So let's do this. It's freaking 95 degrees out. My car is dirty. I did not get to wash it. I went to the gym, cleaned up the house. Had a little bit too much to do, and I should have been better with my time management. So that's my mistake. But we're going to DFW F-Body meet. So I've been invited personally by Adam. Pretty cool guy. G8 owner as well. So we got that in common. Holden-based vehicles. Australia, mate. Accent's horrible. Forgive me. But we got about 30 minutes to drive, so probably end the video right there once I get to the stop sign. So get maximum power, take the AC off. Downshift to third. 40 roll, downshift to second, sit at 4K RPMs. I don't know, brother. I'm being careful because the cops have been out where I live lately and they're always out. $50 roll from third. Woo! Popping. She popping. Nice little Z28, that thing clean. I gotta get me some wheels, man. Thought they were gonna have cones. Oh wow. Z28 clean, man. Brother, F-bodies are so freaking sexy.